So we're out here, it's the week of Thanksgiving. We still got a lot going on even with the holiday coming up. We've got our contractors out here, hopefully be finishing up the pavers today or tomorrow. Try to get the walking area completely wrapped up before the holiday. We're doing some final grading and getting ready to lay some sod in on the back of the walking area. So a lot going on. We got to work on the beach that's going to have some new sand brought in, new steps coming into the beach from the congregating area. So it's, you know, even though it's a holiday, we're still wide open out here. The majority of it is complete. I mean, the wall is done. That was the biggest step, and now the pavers are probably 90–95% done. So once that's wrapped up, that's going to be pretty much the end of laying or bringing in any additional materials aside from the sod. So once the sod's in, you know, we'll have sprinklers set up on it and keeping it alive. And, you know, we're hopefully have this whole project wrapped up in a couple weeks. So we're about 2 weeks out from having some more steps built and mounted to get up to the platform where the new block steps actually start. So about a week or two, hopefully no more than that, of the existing low level drawdown. We're going to try to start bringing it back up in increments of a foot or two, and by the end of December we hope to have it brought up to full pool, first of the year somewhere in there, back up to normal, have 100% complete open access just like normal.